today's big little recipe, we are outside because we are making a salad that comes together completely on the grill. Before we get started, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This way we can cook together more. And now let's get into it. For the salad, you are going to need romaine, some dill pickles, yellow mustard, and the star of the show is a hot dog. Usually if you are grilling hot dogs, you'd probably be putting them in like a soft, squishy bun. But hot dogs are super flavorful, just like any other sausage or cured meat. So in this case, we're actually gonna be using them as a seasoning for the salad. So we'll be grilling them until they get really crispy and then sprinkling them on top, like sort of like a garnish. It's a really fun way to use hot dogs, and you can extend it to all sorts of vegetables and salads, not just this one. So the first thing we are going to do is prep the lettuce and the hot dogs to get them ready for the grill. I'm just having the romaine hearts lengthwise, and this way they can get nice and charred all over. Justin, can you hand me that platter? Thank you. Okay. So I'm just gonna get these guys on here, and this will be our prep space to go to the grill. So I'm just gonna spray these with canola. You could brush them with oil. You just want a little bit of something to help them absorb that heat. And then I will just give them a nice sprinkle of salt. Now we are gonna prep the hot dogs. Our goal here is to get the hot dogs as crispy as possible, almost like bacon bits. So to do that, we're gonna cut them in a slightly tricky way. So the first thing we are gonna do is halve them, but not all the way through, so like a butterfly. So I'm just cutting down the middle and not going all the way. So split it and then try to turn it so it lays flat like a book. So then the next step after you have them laying flat is to score them. So be very careful to not go all the way through, because then you'd end up with a bunch of little hot dog slices. So I'm just gonna do a tiny score all across and try to get the lines as close together as possible, because that's gonna encourage the hot dogs to get super crispy when they're grilling. So now that our romaine and our hot dogs are ready, we are gonna head to the grill. So we have our grill at medium high right now. Because the hot dogs are cooking longer than the romaine, they are gonna go on the grill first. And we're just gonna lay these flat side down. Okay, so these are gonna cook on the first side for about 6 minutes. And in that time, we are gonna work on the rest of our salad and our dressing. So the first thing I'm going to do is dice up some kosher dill pickles. These are gonna also be sprinkled on top of the salad along with our hot dog Crispies. So you can dice these up however you want. If you wanna do like rounds, you can do that. If you wanna do really tiny pieces, really whatever looks and tastes good to you. I'm cutting each one in quarters lengthwise, and then I'm going to line them all up and just run my knife down crosswise. And it's okay if they're a little bit uneven too. It's just a salad topping. It doesn't have to be perfect. Those are all ready for when our salad is done off the grill. And now I'm gonna work on the vinaigrette. So for that, all we need is pickle brine, any yellow mustard, like what you would put on a hot dog, and some neutral oil. So I have canola, vegetable would work, grapeseed, whatever you have around. So for this, it's 2 parts brine to 1 part each of oil and mustard. So 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons. I'm just gonna eyeball it because it's just a dressing. And add the tiniest pinch of salt at this point because the brine is pretty salty on its own. So we'll taste it and then we'll go from there. So I'm just gonna whisk it together. So as you could guess from this vinaigrette, mustard and pickles are 2 of my favorite hot dog toppings, but let me know in the comments what you put on a hot dog, and maybe when you make the salad, you can tweak the dressing and the toppings to reflect that. You want it to be pretty bright, pretty acidic, a little bit spicy, because the hot dogs are so rich on their own, so this is a nice contrast. Our hot dogs are looking great. I am gonna scooch them over And now we are gonna add the romaine. This will only cook a few minutes on one side, and then we'll flip it and just kiss it on the other side for a little bit. You want a nice char, but you don't want it to become like super soggy. So I'm gonna close up the grill. This will cook for just a few minutes, and then we'll flip the lettuce. We're just gonna cook this for like just another minute, just so the other side gets a little bit of that char. Then we'll pull off the lettuce and get the salad all dressed up. Now I'm going to dress the lettuce with our vinaigrette. You might not use all of it, just put as much as you want to start. And then if there's any extra, people can spoon it on top as they eat. And now I am going to sprinkle on all of the chopped pickles. So our very crispy hot dogs are off the grill. They're basically like bacon at this point. So I am just going to, ooh, they're hot. Chop them up really finely, and then we're gonna sprinkle these on top of the salad. This is 4 servings. You would get like half a hot dog per person. Seems like it wouldn't be that much, but it's actually quite a lot because the hot dog is such great flavor. This is our grilled romaine salad with hot dog Crispies and pickle brine mustard vinaigrette. Let me know in the comments how it turns out for you. The full recipe is on Food 52, and I'll talk to you next time.